Today I'm going to make dobu jorim. It's a Korean tofu dish, one of my favorite. Okay, first you need to get a firm tofu or extra firm tofu. The next spring onion. The next gochugaru. The next onions, garlic, sugar, salt. You can use any salt, it's fine. Then soy sauce, any soy sauce will do too. And vegetable oil or any oil. It's up to you. And water. Guys, every time I make this, I didn't really measure it because I always put extra stuff, like extra because I love the sauce. I really love it. It's up to you where and how you want it to be cooked. You can use air fryer, deep fry it, or use non-stick pan to fry it. I want my tofu to be a little bit crispy and a little bit golden brown, but it's up to you how you want yours. So, ganito ako gumawa ng sauce, ng dobu jorim. First, gochugaru. The next, ayan, di ko na makita yung sugar. Next is sugar. Ganyan, masarap kasi pang manimis-namis. The next is salt. Then, soy sauce. The next is tubig. Marami akong maglagay ng tubig kasi mamaya mawawala din yan. Ayan. So guys, gisahin nyo na ang inyong bawang at sibuyas. Halu-haluin hanggang maging brown. Siyempre, yan. Diba? Hindi pantay-pantay hiwa ko. Ayos lang yan. Basta sibuyas pa din yan. Then yan. Yan, lagay nyo na yung spring onion nyo. Halu-haluin nyo ulit. Basta antayin nyo lang siya maging brown. So guys, pag medyo brown na siya, wag naman yung sobrang brown guys kasi hindi masarap pag sunog na. Lagay na yung sauce na ginawa nyo. 'Di ba? Napadami pala yung tubig na ilagay ko. So pero okay lang yan guys kasi mamaya sisip-sipin na yan, matutuyo din. So mas magandang ganyan, maraming sauce. Yan, antayin yung kumulo. So guys, ayan na, nagbubbles na. Kumukulo-kulo-kulo na. Lagay nyo na yung medyo-medyong brown yung tofu. Kung gusto nyo, ganun din. Kasi gusto ko ganyan. Wala kasi akong ngipin sa gums. Hirap mangat-ngat. So, gusto ko medyo malambot. So, sana yun. Pero, masarap din siyang crispy. Pero, mas gusto kong ganyan nga. So, bahala na kayo. Yan, ganyan. Diba guys, sabi ko sa'yo mawawala yung sauce. Kaya mas maganda, mas maraming sauce. Kasi nawawala siya.